All right, we got a spinner problem here. So one of the first things I do when I have a spinner problem or I have any other random probability, I start off with the total. Okay, so remember desired over total. So all of these are going to be 8. Okay, so you're going to be out of 8. You're going to be out of 8. You're going to be out of 8. And then you're going to be out of 8. All right, here we go. So now I said this is the hardest part, is the desires. Okay, the probability that the spinner will spin and land on a vowel. Well, here is one vowel and two vowels. That's it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yeah, there you go. There's only two vowels. 2. So, depending on what directions say, directions could say simplified as a fraction, so 1 out of 4. You got a 1 out of 4 chance. If directions say write it as a percentage, well, put that in your calculator and then write it as a percentage. Not B. Okay? So, don't think too hard here. How many of the letters are not B? 7 of them. One of them is a B. The other 7 is not a B. Okay? 7 out of B, the B and the 8, there you go. 7 out of 8 is the probability of not landing on a B. Now here's another thing about complements is not B and B, in fact, what's probably landing on a B, is 1 out of 8. Look, complements, 1 out of 8, 7 out of 8. Those would add to 100%. So anytime you throw the word not in front of something, you automatically create its complement. The complement of B is not B, everything else. Probability of landing on X. There are no X values, 0%. Nope, never going to happen. Not W. Ooh, this is a good one here. How many of these are not W? All of them. You have an 8 out of 8 chance of landing on not W, okay? Think about it. W, landing on a W is 0%. So what's the opposite of 0%? Or sorry, what's the complement of 0%? 100%. Okay, so again, the tricky part is sometimes the wording of the probability questions. Don't let yourself be confused. Just use your logic and everything will be okay. Boom, marble questions. Okay, pulling marbles from a bag or a hat. Who puts marbles in a hat? I don't know. Again, first thing I like to do is to calculate the total so I know what number I'm divided by. We got 12 red marbles, 14 blue, 24 green. Looks like we have oh wow, isn't that nice? It's almost like I did this on purpose. 50, that's going to give us some nice percentages. Again, if you got not nice percentages, round them to the according percentage rounding number. It will tell you in the directions. If not, I'll help you out. But it should tell you. Try to make directions clear. Everything's going to be out of 50. Okay, probability of drawing a blue. Well, there's 14 blue. 14 out of 50. Okay, now here's a nice thing about 50. It's basically half of 100. So if you just double 14, 28%. That's kind of nice. Super nice number. Up here, 25. If you take that number times 4, you'd get the percentage as well. So pay attention to those nice numbers. 25, 50, those are 100. 100 is even the easiest. That's probably the most easiest, nicest number there ever is. Not green. Ooh, you've got options here. So either you can add the ones that are not green, or you could find the probability of green and then just do the complement of it. So you have options. It's the same way. For me, I think it's just easier just to add the two numbers. 12 plus 14, 26 out of 50 would be 52%. So 26 out of 50 would be 52%. Okay, or again, what's probability of green? Probability of green, watch this. Probability of green is 48%. Wow, 1 minus 48. Oh, look, same thing. What the? 100 minus 48. There we go, it's better. Oh, look at that. 48%, 52%. Complements. Crazy, right? So green or blue. Green or blue? What do you do? Well, when it's or, that means you add the two groups. You're grouping them. Green or blue. Now I'm making a super group. So there's 24 green and there's 14 blue. 8, 30, 38. That'd be 38 of 50. Those are the ones that are green or blue. Or again, complements. Okay, which ones are not green or blue? Red. There's a 24% chance you're not going to get a red. So I have a feeling there's going to be a, look, 76% chance you'll get a green or a blue. There you go. Okay. So that's about it. Okay, the hardest part sometimes is figuring out what to put on top of the dividing. I always like to find the total first, then I do the division, and then everybody wins after that. All right. So let's move on.